Hello my friends, I come back again to do this quick unboxing, or not so quick, I don't know. And today I just wanted to test the new Blazar Remus 45mm anamorphic lenses, so I decided to invest some money on these lenses because I tried some anamorphic in the past, something by myself. So I received this today from Germany, from betterfocus.com. It was easy buy. Oh, Better Focus. They are really nice. And I asked for the Blazar Remus 45 PL mount amber. And why PL mount? Because the phalange distance of PL mount is 52, and as it is bigger than any other mounts, so it's easy to adapt it to, I don't know, some other mounts. But it makes sense to me to ask for this EF. This is not an adapter, this is a mount. So with this you have to take some screws and to fit this on the lenses. This is aluminium. Yeah, good. The plastic cap it feels cheap, but the transformation for PL to EF mount is aluminium, very well machined, as you see, and it brings like 4, 5, 6 screws. Yeah, so this is if you don't have a PL mount now, a camera with a PL mount, you can order this part and transform the lens into EF mount. And now the lens, let's open this. It's some kind of careful. Let's put away this big blade and all this garbage. So I've been seeing on YouTube channels people ordering the 3 lenses. I hope they are good, so in the near future I can buy the other 2, because the 35 is not for full frame, and the 45, the 65 and the 100, they are for full frame. So I ordered just one to see if they are matching my expectations, and if they do, I will buy the rest in the near future. So very well boxed with foams. Yeah, so a plus for packing. Now the box. It comes, oh, another touch. So, and I didn't said it was the, I think I ordered the amber flare. Oh, let's keep on unpacking this Blazar Anamorphic. And by the way, this was this thing that I designed and print to use this Schneider Krosnack anamorphic. This was a plus anamorphic 2 times, but now it will be out of the way. And because it was difficult to do some focus with that invention that I did myself, so you cut this little to this lens. I will be using it on my Red Epic Dragon and also on my Panasonic GH1. So it comes with this, yeah, good bag, really soft, but full of dust. You need to maybe go outside and squeeze it and shake it to get all this micro dust. So I don't think this tissue is really a good idea. I think it will grab a lot of dust, and lenses don't like dust. It comes with a passcode from the day 24 of June 2024, so this is brand new, fresh, really fresh. The inside of the box, it's a foam, like a very hard foam, so another plus for packing. And now the lens. Let's remove this and some fur from the cats. So it comes with a metallic cover, lens cover. Yeah, I think it is better than I expected. So I really expected that this was to feel some sheep going around, but yeah, it really exceeded my expectations. This is very, very, very well built. It's kind of heavy, but it's all the parts are flawless. They are very well machined, the PL mount and the low profile engravings, the focus distance. So I think it will have like 2 scales. Okay. It has the metric and it has in feet. Very interesting. Another plus point for the lens. So on this side you have in feet, the scale for focusing, and on the outer side of the barrel you have in metric. The other very interesting thing that is, I think, is around I think maybe in the specification, but I think is about 120 degrees focusing. So it's really, you don't need to rotate as much. And it seems that the focusing is well distributed from 68 centimeters up to 25 and infinity, and in feet you can go from 2 feet, 2.4 feet up to 60 feet infinity. And the aperture T2, T2.4, 2.8, 4, 5, 6, 8. So what is the difference? Why the cinema lenses have a T instead of an F? This lens is actually it's a 1.8 aperture, but why it is marked just only at T2, not f1.8? Because the T stands for in terms of photography, when the light passes through all these optical elements, it will lose light. So it's the light lost equivalent to an f2. So if you see an F, it doesn't count with the light loss between the optical elements, so the T measure that, and so in terms of photography and light loss when passing through the lens is an T2. If it was a photography lens, it will be an f1.8. So the glass, really clean. One more time, I was not expecting such a good quality. It's very well machined, very well finished. Everything is perfect. I don't see anything that yeah, the cover is black but is almost translucent. It's it tights good, and the lens cover is also made of aluminium, so it goes to the lens. And another thing, you don't feel it scratching, so it has like a foam inside. You put here, and that's it. It's Blazar. So a plus for packing, a plus for building quality, construction, and the rest I'll see on a near episode that I will test it on my Red Epic Dragon. I think the thread around this is 77, I think. Yeah, and that's it. And before I test it on my, I think I will leave the test for S1H for later, because to do that I need to change the PL mount. So the PL mount, you have to unscrew this black cover. You have to take out 5 or 6 screws. You have to put this adaptation and to screw again, I think it's 5 screws. Okay, it has a locking pin that goes into this hole, and has 5 screws. So instead, I didn't saw on the box. I thought that there were sending some shims, but I don't see it anywhere. Oh, the box inside has a locking foam, so the lens don't be shaking. I've been an optical instruments technician for a long time, and one of the things that can damage these lenses is the big amount of vibration or heat on a solid surface. And that's it. That's the Blazar Remus 45mm T.2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you very much.